हेलो बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे अल्फ़ाबेट्स। A for apple,
A for apple,
B for ball,
B for ball,
C for cat,
C for cat,
D for doll,
D for doll,
E for elephant,
E for elephant,
F for fish,
F for fish,
G for grapes,
G for grape,
H for house,
H for house,
I for igloo,
I for igloo,
J for joker,
J for joker,
K for kite,
K for kite,
L for lion,
L for lion,
M for mango,
M for mango,
N for nest,
N for nest,
O for orange,
O for orange,
P for parrot,
P for parrot,
Q for queen,
Q for queen,
R for rabbit,
R for rabbit,
S for sun.
S for sun.
Thank you. Bye बच्चों.